In a world where every dog owner seeks the key to unlocking their furry friend's full potential, one name stands out: Adrienne Ferricelli. With her revolutionary brain training for dogs program, Ferricelli has transformed the landscape of canine training, offering a comprehensive and innovative approach that resonates with both pets and their owners. At the heart of Ferricelli's method lies a deep understanding of canine behavior and psychology. Drawing on her years of experience as a certified canine behaviorist and trainer, she has crafted a program that taps into the innate intelligence of dogs, fostering a strong bond between human and canine companions. The Brain Training for Dogs program is not just another dog training course. It is a journey of discovery and empowerment for both dogs and their owners. Through a series of engaging exercises and activities, Ferricelli teaches dog owners how to harness their dog's natural abilities, turning everyday interactions into opportunities for growth and learning. One of the key principles of Ferricelli's approach is the use of positive reinforcement. Unlike traditional training methods that rely on punishment and coercion, brain training for dogs focuses on rewarding desired behaviors, encouraging dogs to think and problem solve on their own. This positive reward-based approach not only produces better results but also strengthens the bond between dog and owner, creating a relationship built on trust and mutual respect. But what sets brain training for dogs apart from other training programs is its emphasis on mental stimulation. Ferricelli understands that dogs thrive on mental challenges, and she has developed a series of games and exercises designed to engage their minds and keep them sharp. From simple tasks like target training to more advanced activities like hide and seek, these exercises are not only fun for dogs but also provide valuable mental stimulation, keeping them happy, healthy, and engaged. The Brain Training for Dogs program is also highly customizable, allowing dog owners to tailor their training regimen to their dog's individual needs and abilities. Whether you have a playful puppy or a stubborn older dog, Ferricelli's program offers something for everyone, with a range of exercises and activities designed to address common behavioral issues and challenges. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of brain training for dogs is its results. Countless dog owners have reported dramatic improvements in their dog's behavior and obedience after completing the program, with many experiencing breakthroughs they never thought possible. From leash pulling to excessive barking, Ferricelli's program has helped countless dogs overcome their behavioral issues and become model companions. In addition to its effectiveness, brain training for dogs is also incredibly accessible. With its self-paced online format, dog owners can work through the program at their own pace, from the comfort of their own home. And with its clear, easy-to-follow instructions and engaging video demonstrations, even the most inexperienced dog owner can quickly master the techniques and start seeing results. But perhaps the greatest testament to the success of brain training for dogs is the bond it helps foster between dogs and their owners. By empowering dog owners to understand and communicate with their pets on a deeper level, Ferricelli's program not only improves behavior but also strengthens the relationship between human and canine, creating a lifelong partnership built on love, trust, and mutual understanding. So if you're tired of struggling with your dog's behavior issues and ready to unlock their full potential, why wait? Join the thousands of satisfied dog owners who have already experienced the transformative power of brain training for dogs. With Adrienne Ferricelli as your guide, you and your furry friend can embark on an exciting journey of discovery and growth, one paw print at a time. Click on the link below for further details, information, and pricing.